Hello students, today we'll study the first chapter from your supplementary reader of your class 10 syllabus, that is Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery and it is written by James Alfred White. Actually, he used to write by a pen name James Herriot. This is a real story where the writer has described his personal experience. It's a very cute story and I'm sure you will like it. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to give you a detailed summary of the chapter, the moral of the story, and the character sketch of the major people in the story. Now, the chapter A Triumph of Surgery is about a small dog by the name Tricky who was always indulged by his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, with tasty and unhealthy treats several times a day. Out of love, Mrs. Pumphrey would overfeed her pet with malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night, along with chocolates and cakes. Gradually, Tricky gained oodles of weight and became very lazy. He hardly exercised or went out for a walk due to his bloated structure. He became bloated like a saucer. In due course of time, he became bulky and his lack of movement worried Mrs. Pumphrey. Soon he became sick and stopped eating anything, not even his favorite dishes, and was vomiting frequently. He didn't even want to do anything. Hence, Mrs. Pumphrey, his owner, consulted Mr. James Herriot, a veterinary surgeon, for treatment of a sick and lethargic dog. In the beginning of the chapter, Mr. Herriot had warned Mrs. Pumphrey to give Tricky plenty of exercise and stop overfeeding him. But Mrs. Pumphrey had ignored all his warnings. Obviously, Harriet had become sick because he was constantly eating, and Tricky had become sick because he was constantly eating and not doing any exercise. So Mr. Harriet, after receiving the call from Mrs. Pumphrey, was shocked to see Tricky's condition and decided to take Tricky away with him for some time. He knew Mrs. Pumphrey's overindulgence would never let a pet dog lead a healthy lifestyle. He suggested to Mrs. Pumphrey that it would be good to get Tricky hospitalized and kept under observation for minimum 15 days. Upon hearing this, Mrs. Pumphrey nearly fainted. She was sure that if Tricky did not see her every day, he would surely die. But the narrator went to their house, and even though Mrs. Pumphrey was crying because she did not want her dog to be taken away, he took the dog, wrapped it in a blanket, and put him in the car. The maids got Tricky's stuff, including things like his day bed, night bed, favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, and a snack bowl. Mr. Harriet knew that so much stuff won't fit into his car, so he started rushing things. As the doctor was leaving with Tricky, Mrs. Pumphrey threw a lot of coats that Tricky used to wear in the car. As the narrator was turning the car, on the turn he saw through the rear mirror that everyone was crying. He took the dog along with him to his place. As soon as they reached his place, all the other dogs gathered around the doctor. Tricky looked at all of them, and when the doctor put him down on the carpet, he could not even move. The other dogs then sniffed him and thought to themselves that he was a very uninteresting object, and there was no use standing there, and left. Then the narrator made the bed for Tricky in a warm box along with the other dogs. For 2 days, the narrator kept him just on water and nothing else. On the third day, Tricky went outside and played with other bigger dogs. He ate the food that was given to him and also licked the bowls of other dogs for the leftover food. Mr. Harriet gave a balanced diet to Tricky along with plenty of physical exercise. Gradually, Tricky's condition started improving and he started fighting with other dogs for his meals. At night, he would also hunt rats in the henhouse. He was enjoying as he had never done such things before. His mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, would send eggs so that her pet didn't starve and get enough energy to recover from the treatment. However, James Herriot and his partners would eat the eggs daily for breakfast. Instead of feeding the eggs to Tricky, he used to have it himself. Further, Mrs. Pumphrey also sent bottles of wine and brandy to improve Tricky's blood, but those again were consumed by Mr. Herriot and his partners. Mr. Herriot was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery. He felt sorry for eating the food that was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for Tricky. As the little dog started showing signs of improvement, the vet, after 15 days, decided to call the wealthy lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, as she was very worried about her pet's condition and used to call him several times in the day to check on Tricky. How was Tricky doing? Tricky had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mrs. Pumphrey arrived to fetch her pet, she was very nervous. When Ricky saw his mother like mistress, he was overjoyed. He ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started licking her face, barking in excitement. Mrs. Pumphrey was filled with gratitude towards Mr. Herriot for curing her dog and felt she couldn't thank him enough for the wonder he had done to her pet. She felt this was indeed a triumph of surgery, meaning that the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. All the time she had thought that Tricky was being hospitalized and treated at the surgery. He was going through the surgical treatment, not knowing that Tricky was simply given food according to Mr. Herriot's. He was just given exercise. Now, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that exercise is equally important for the well-being along with nutritious food. Pampering spoils physical as well as mental health. Excess of anything is not good. Parents should not be overindulgent as it harms their children. Often parents pamper their child so much that they lose the drive of adventure and become too comfortable and overly protective. This not only causes underdevelopment of personality but always has a negative physical and psychological impact. Now, coming to the character sketch. The character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey. She is a very wealthy woman who had a small pet dog named Tricky. She has a large number of servants and maids. She was foolishly indulgent and would pamper the dog by giving him chocolates, juice, eggs, wine, malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night. She was ignorant and did not know that the dog needed exercise as well. She ignored the narrator's suggestion to give Tricky a balanced diet. She was silly but tender-hearted. It shows that she was very sensitive. She cried bitterly when Tricky was taken to the hospital. She was a simple person and it was easy to please her. She was extremely happy when her pet became all right and was grateful to Dr. Herriot for making Tricky healthy. Now coming to the character sketch of James Herriot, who is a vet. He's a competent veterinary surgeon. Who is a veterinary surgeon? A person who treats animals. Just like we have doctors, he's also a doctor, but he treats animals. He understands the fault of Tricky is his greed for food. He's really worried about Tricky being excessively overfed. Instructs Mrs. Pumphrey to keep Tricky on a very strict diet and give him plenty of exercise. He knew that Tricky could be saved only when it's taken away from this overindulgent Mrs. Pumphrey. Hence, he suggested that Tricky needed surgery. He's highly practical, pragmatic, and does not give any medical treatment to the dog. The dog was not given any food but a lot of water. His method worked. Tricky's recovery was surprisingly very rapid. Tricky was not only out of danger but was transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled dog, all because of him. Dr. James was clever enough to enjoy the best of both the worlds. He was tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest when he enjoyed eggs for breakfast and wine and brandy for lunch and dinner. All the luxuries which were actually sent by Mrs. Pumphrey to restore Tricky's health. Coming to the character sketch of Tricky. Tricky is a small dog. His rich mistress pampers him a lot. He is given sumptuous food and princely comforts. He had a number of beds, clothes, bowls for different occasions. So indeed, he's a lucky dog, I must say. His only fault is his greed for food. He loves cream cakes and chocolates. All food and no play makes Tricky a dull doggy. Luxuries and facilities became the cause of his lethargy and illness. He became so fat that he could not walk properly. He falls sick and loses all energy and enthusiasm. His mistress bewailed when he was taken to the hospital. Eventually, Tricky is transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled dog by the right treatment given to him by Mr. Harriet. Tricky shows his love for his mistress by jumping on her lap when she comes to collect him. He is a kind, sensible, and grateful dog. That's all from my end. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, or comment. Thank you. Happy learning.